Oliver Ellsworth was an American lawyer and a politician. He was born on April 29, 1745, and he died on November 26, 1807. After serving as a senator from Connecticut, Oliver Ellsworth became the third Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. He was in office from March 4, 1796 until September 30, 1800. He was also a drafter of the United States Constitution and is known for his proposal of the use of the phrase, "the United States," in order to identify the government under the authority of the Constitution. Ellsworth was born in Windsor, Connecticut, to Captain David and Jemima Ellsworth. In 1772, he married Abigail Wolcott, and they had 9 children together. Ellsworth first studied at Yale in 1762, but he later transferred to Princeton at the end of his second year. Here he studied theology, but eventually turned to law and became a successful lawyer after 4 years. On March 3, 1796, Ellsworth was appointed by President George Washington to be the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Ellsworth was preceded by John Rutledge and was succeeded by John Marshall. Some of Ellsworth's landmark cases include Hollingsworth v. Virginia, which decided that the president's signature was unnecessary for ratifying an amendment; Calder v. Bull, which stated that an ex post facto clause applied only to criminal cases, not civil cases. Other cases include Hyleton v. the United States and New York v. Connecticut.
The Supreme Court case of Roe v. Wade was decided on January 22, 1973. It originated when Norma McCorvey, a single pregnant woman, challenged the Texas abortion law, which denied the right to abortion unless it was life-threatening to the mother. She filed a lawsuit under the name Jane Roe to protect her privacy. The suit sought to have the Texas abortion law declared unconstitutional as an invasion of her right to privacy, guaranteed by the First, Fourth, Ninth, and 14th Amendments. The 2 lawyers who decided to take on this case were Sarah Weddington and Linda Coffey. The defendant was Henry Wade, the District Attorney of Dallas. And alongside of him were J. Floyd and Robert C. Flowers. On January 22, 1973, with a 7-2 majority vote, the Supreme Court had ruled that the Texas abortion law was unconstitutional under the 9th Amendment, which protects individual rights, as well as the 14th Amendment's concept of personal liberty and restrictions upon state action, which includes a right of personal privacy, was broad enough to encompass a woman's decision whether or not to terminate her pregnancy. As a result, it was declared that a woman had the right to an abortion within the first trimester.